What's up, guys? I'm gonna be cleaning the engine in my car. I'm gonna drive it out and get the hose and clean the engine. I'm gonna spray some simple clean, cover up the battery, and then wash it off, and it should be clean. So let me pull out the car and then let me wash it. Okay, I disconnected the battery over here. I'm gonna put this bag over it, and then I'm gonna spray it with simple green and wash it down and let it dry. Okay, I just sprayed it down. I'm just gonna let it dry, and then we should be good. And I got a pretty good stance going on it too. I lowered that one, so it's not too high, it's not too low, it's just right. I got the rear just looking right, so yeah, looking good.